Hello guys, how are you? In this video we are going to see how we can install the Laravel framework in our cPanel hosting provider. Okay, so basically this video aims for the beginners uh, that are having a little bit of confusion for how to install Laravel framework directly in the cPanel. Okay, so for this to be done, we need to enable terminal in our server. Okay, so first of all you need to go to the home page of the cPanel. This is the home page of the cPanel. After login into this, you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to scroll to the option terminal. Okay, so as you can see, here is this option, terminal option. Okay, by clicking on this you will get CMD like window, like you see in our Windows CMD like window. To enter the command here, okay, here you need to enter the command that will install the PHP Laravel application in your server. Okay, so this works pretty same like the CMD in Windows system. So if you command ls, you will see all the directories. Basically it's a Linux server, so all the commands will be as per the Linux operating system. Okay, so first of all we need to navigate to the particular folder where we need to install the Laravel application. So if we switch to the file manager and in the file manager I want to install the PHP application in this particular folder, so I will need to navigate to this particular folder. For this I need to be done, I will go to the www directory. Let me check other folders. Now I will go to this particular directory. Actually I am working on the production and real server, and that is why I will hide the appropriate things from the screen, but will ensure that all the required information will be visible. Okay, so after navigating to the perfect folder where we need to install the Laravel application, first of all you need to check if the composer is available, if the composer is available on the server. Okay, for this you need to just type composer, COMPOSER. Okay, because we need to use composer to install the Laravel framework. Okay, so if we go to the documentation and go to the installation part, and here you need to click on your first Laravel project. This is the command we need to use to install the Laravel application, and this is the basically composer command. So we need to check if the composer is working or not on your server. If we hit composer, then you will see the output here. The composer is installed with the version of 2.4.4. okay, so now we can run the Laravel install command. Okay, first of all I will clear the screen. Okay, then I will take this command and paste it here. Okay, after pasting the command, the Laravel application will going to install. We need to wait. Okay, as you can see, the Laravel application is successfully installed. So if we go to the file manager, here is the file manager, and if we reload, you can see the example app directory, because the Laravel application, because in this command there is an example app attribute, which will be the folder name of the Laravel application. You can see it's installed here. Okay, if you go to the root of the domain, you can see the folder here, example app. Okay, so this is how we can install the Laravel application. If you go to the example app /public, you can see the Laravel application. Right now it's not running because we need to change the PHP version of the cPanel. Let's do this a little quick. So I go to the PHP multi PHP manager to switch the option. So choose the correct domain name, and after that choose the right PHP version. From here click on apply. As you can see, it's successfully done. Now if I go to this particular thing, as you can see, the Laravel is successfully running now without any issue, and the PHP version is 8.2.8 and the Laravel version is 10. Okay, and if we want to serve this as the root of this particular domain, what we need to do, actually this domain is add-on domain. So what we just need to do, just go to the home page of the cPanel and go to the domain section. Okay, we just need to update the document root of this particular website. Okay, if I click on manage, here I can modify the document root. So first of all, I will take the app out of that folder, select all the files from here and click on move, and remove this particular example app from here. And before doing this, I just click on settings and show hidden files. So, and to ensure all the files is visible, because there is some hidden file like env. Okay, it's visible now. Select all the files, from here, click on move, and go back to the root of the folder. Okay, it's simple as that. And click on move files. As you can see, all the file is moved now of one level, and this is the example app old folder. It's empty now. I just going to delete this. Okay, after deleting this, this is my project, and if I go to this, it's showing not available because the example as is not available now. If I go to the home, root of the domain, you can see the root of the Laravel application, but we want to serve the application from the public path. Okay, for to do this, in my case, what will I do? I will go to the domain section and update the document root. Okay, update the document root to the /public. That way it works fine. Okay, after switching to this, you can see it's not working now because it's a little bit of caching in my system. So what will I do? I will try the incognito mode from here to see if it's working or not. As you can see, it's not working, but it will work after some time. After some time it will work perfectly. There is no issue. Okay, let me once again try in another browser. Okay, okay, as you can see, I checked in Opera browser, and you can see in the root location of the domain, you can see the Laravel application is successfully installed. Okay, now you can work on this project further and make your wonderful app very soon. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.
Thank you.